Rima is a kind girl. She has a cat named Molly. Her brother Ron has a pet dog. Ball to one day, Rima and Molly go out to play in the garden. They see beautiful flowers in the garden. I see red roses and a Dahlia says. Rima, Molly touches the vowel. The orange marigold.
Yes.
Orange marigolds. Marigolds.
Very good.
Apa mon? Coba.
Yan lagi like marigolds.
Marigolds with love sea wax near. Are you looking for an egg? Di mana dah? Apa bah? Di mana?
Elemal itu.
Begitu.
Diaro.
Dear. An egg. Dear Molly, come here. I see an on a green leaf. Says Rima. There are many black ants too
Not to mama.
on the bigger mountain.
Lips.
To the ants are sleeping. Rima tells Molly, see me,
Not Jimmy.
jumps
Yes.
up. This is me like jumps up to see, but falls into the
Not the.
a tub of water. Molly cries, meow, meow. Jimmy, the pet dog, comes running. Rima helps Molly out of the tub. Both of them are happy.
Now.
Now they start playing
Again. Again mana आरोबाव.
Betul betul.
एफोरले
Cake, make, fake, pet, set, that. They play, bat, cat, pet, hat, mat, he, Bruno.
Wow, these are rhymes mama. These are
Rhymes.
very good. Man मोजां फरायबाय मा नोङो? Wow.